We have every right to be angry, and no one should be sitting there telling me or anybody else, oh, you're so angry. Because you don't get it if you're saying that. You absolutely do not get it. Resilient. This is one of my most favorite words, period. Resilience. I love that word. And the main reason I love it is because I think this is one of the premier qualities of African people. To get knocked down, get back up, knocked down, get back up, knocked down, get back up, knocked down, get back up. People say we should not be here. We should be dead. No other people has gone through what we have gone. Sure, those folks have been enslaved temporarily. Those folks have been enslaved temporarily. Those folks have been enslaved temporarily. Those folks might have got hurt in this. We have been under assault from every people on this planet in an attempt to remove us from existence. There is nothing that you can call out that has not happened to us. Nothing. Excuse me, that is not happening to us. We're not talking about the past here. This is going on now. But we survive. And not only do we survive, we thrive. We build. We have visions. We have not been broken.